Today we are going to learn what are the characteristics of a good teacher, and we are starting right now. What is going on, people? My name is Clement and welcome to another video. If this is your first time and you want to learn how to get motivated and other teaching stuffs on YouTube, make sure to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any single thing. A good teacher can make a world of difference in a student's life, impacting everything from their classroom learning to their long-time success. Research shows that good teachers are the single most important factor that contributes to the student's achievement in the classroom more than every single thing put together. Now let's get straight to the point, the characteristics. Number 1. Good teachers are strong communicators. When it comes to effective teaching, strong communication skills are a must. Teaching is all about communication, listening, speaking, reading, presenting, and writing. Teachers who hone their communication skills are prepared to instruct, advise, and mentor students entrusted in their care. The more you talk well, the more you mix well with the students. Number 2. Good teachers listen well. Great communication doesn't stop when the teacher is done talking. Listening well is one of the most important skills needed to be a teacher. If an educator can truly hear a student, they can learn how to reach them where they are. Number 3. Good teachers are adaptable. Effective teachers need to be able to work in a constantly evolving environment and adjust their teaching methods based on the age of their students, the resource available, and changing curriculum. Adaptability is one of the key skills needed to be a teacher who may be educating students of varying grade levels or different learning styles. You have to be able to adapt based upon your audience. Number 4. Good teachers are engaging. Being able to engage students with humor, creative lessons, and a strong classroom presence is an important part of what makes someone a good teacher. A good teacher will always perform for the students to keep them going. It is not about sitting back and just lecturing. It's about engaging in the work. What an engaging teacher looks like will vary depending on grade level and subject matter. For example, in kindergarten, an engaging teacher might be the one who gets down on the floor to do activities with their students on their level, whereas in high school, an engaging teacher may be the one who thinks outside the box, adds humor to their lessons, and find creative ways to bring learning into the real world. Number 5. Good teachers show empathy. Another key to engaging students and improving their learning is to treat each student as an individual by being empathetic and understanding to what may be going on in their lives. It is so important to be observant, attentive, empathetic, and always have a positive attitude. Something that may be easy for one student may not be so easy for someone else. Everyone learns differently, whether it be faster or slower than normal, learns better by writing, reading, or hands-on. Teachers need to always keep this in mind and always pay close attention to ensure each student is on track where they need to be. Number 6. Good teachers must have patience. No matter what grade level you are teaching, your patience will be tested while working as an educator. Whether you are managing classroom behavior, working with colleagues with different views, or communicating students' issue or progress with parents, patience is one of the most important skills to practice as a teacher. Number 7. Good teachers always value real-world learning. Teachers who bring their students' learning into the real world are often some of the most engaging, but it's important for teachers to bring their own learning into the real world too. One of the best preparation for effective teaching is to ensure that education students get plenty of classroom experiences early on in their degree programs. Number 8. Good teachers share best practices. A willingness to share knowledge and experience with others is one of the most important qualities of a good teacher. Education is a very hand-on experience and often requires experimentation within the classroom to discover which methods of communication with students work the best. Part of being an effective teacher is sharing your findings and best practices with others in the field. Number 9. Good teachers are lifelong learners. One of the key skills needed to be a good teacher is a dedication to continue education and a love of learning. Whether you are learning more about your subject area, learning new methods of communication, or even exploring how to bring more technology into your classroom, continuing to expand your own knowledge is key to expanding that of your students. No matter what your education level is, you can learn something new from everyone you encounter with, including fellow educator as well as students. Being willing to continually add tools to your toolbox, even unconventional ones at times, will keep things new and exciting, as well as giving you excellent skills. Now let's recap the whole thing. A good teacher must be a communicator, listens well, adaptable, engaging, empathy, patience, real-world learning, share best practices, and lifelong learner. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. And if you have any question related to this topic, then you can ask me in the comment section below. If you like this video, then like and share it before going. Subscribe to our channel and then definitely press the bell icon so that we could bring you more videos like this. Till then, peace.